So we saw how you can upload a 3D model. Other stuff that I want to show you is images and videos. So let's show that too. So now instead of deciding to take a model from the collection, I'm going to upload something from my local storage. So let's upload this image, for example, just a straight up JPEG. And I can also decide that I want this JPEG to be placed in a specific location. For example, New York. Let's say I want to build an app, then if you open it in New York, you're going to see the Empire State Building, but if you open it in San Francisco, you're going to see the Golden Gate Bridge. Kind of totally viable to basically create these Pokemon Go style experiences that you can kind of embed content based on locations. So you can already do that in Echo just by tagging data with specific locations. So we have this image right here. And what's cool about Echo is that we already kind of converted this image. If you go to this link, we already converted that to a 3D sticker. So that 2D image that you can, again, embed everywhere is basically a 3D sticker now that we can kind of place in different locations. How cool is that? So if you're working on an NFT project or some kind of art museum, you can literally upload 2D images and they'll be available to view in augmented reality. Let's see that now together. So I'm going to scan this QR code again. Redirects to a website. Again, don't have to install anything. And if you're doing this right now with me, you can kind of scan this and see it with me as well. We can see on the phone how the 3D model looks. I'm going to do CNAR, camera opens up. And now put your phone in front of a wall instead of the floor, because basically image is going to go on the wall. So you can just move it around a little bit, pinch it to resize. You'll be able to basically place this kind of 3D sticker on the wall next to you. How cool is that? Super, super cool, isn't it? Fantastic.